is a bed.
That's the thing.
This is a little seating area.
And then
Special
this
price.
is the
Oh,
back.
it's
This one door. Yep. I'll
this,
write
this, this is a fridge, refrigerator.
This is the bathroom.
This is a bathroom. Kalisa is giving a tour. This is a bathroom. It's tiny.
How is it gonna fit to like two? It can only fit like one at a time.
Yeah, and this is what the stove. This is a stove. You can cook.
And this is the door. You can't open it for some
It's
reason.
covered. Oh, you can't open. We're looking for under the bed. Maybe storage you can store, right?
You can put some of your stuff. Can we even open the fridge?
I guess not. It's locked. It's nice.
What part to go in the other aisle?
It's a
I don't know how the toilet you have to sort out that yourself.
I mean,
The toilet.
sort
Like
of
when you
flush it.
because where is it gonna go?
It must have something to flush, man. It must have. It has. Ooh, nice. Nice.
Wait, where are my glasses?
I have it.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we could see transition set.
Yeah, it's a seating area, couch. Nice, nice seat.
I think I would probably choose
This is nice, Gabby.
You don't there's two seating areas.
Two seated area. Oh, so you can sit and have your breakfast there.
It's like, look what they're
I can sit here and watch TV. Is there a TV?
I guess you would put it.
Yeah.
Mommy, look at this too. They even have
Hmm? AC? Oh, it has a fire alarm. Smoke detector.
Yeah, look at mom, and it's like you can close the doors.
Oh, this is the fireplace.
It's like you want to.
Electric fireplace.
That's actually like this is a.
Oh, this is nice. I love it.
It's a bunk.
Oh, and there's a bunk bed. Oh, an entire family could live in this. Oh,
Only four.
only four. Oh, this is a bathroom. Oh, this is a closet. Oh. Come, Kelly. Yay! You did it. Awesome. Should I look back? Oh, it's stopped though. Huh? Yeah. She did turn it on her own. It start moving.